my name is Choy Hann. I am 10 years old. I am from PG London today. I am going to tell a story about Town Square. Once upon a time, there was a lot of people going to the Town Square because the fair is in the town. And a demon was getting chased by people that and was speaking for the people to give the deal. And anyone thought it was a rat. The mouse sat behind a wall that people were going and let them go for a walk. Meanwhile, Mom and Joe was eating ice cream together since their breakfast. They also got to plan the world. Meanwhile, the bouncers were causing chaos, probably meaning a dinner all of the bottles down roof. They also got run over in between pancakes. Everyone was mad at the mom and Bob and Joe and this one that were shooting in front of the wall. The cat ate the mouse. The mouses teamed up Mom and Joe to take down the wall when they felt miserably and became as far as people. The end. Thank you.